Jacqueline Kreider, PBJ Mortgage, Mega Mortgage Simple, as simple as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, I need to address something that really bothers me. And what it is the amount of misinformation that exists in the mortgage space. It actually drives me completely batty. So I am a researcher by nature. I am an educator by nature. Everybody thought that I was going to be a teacher in school. And it's really, really, really important to me that customers have a very good understanding of exactly what they're getting into when it comes to mortgage and it comes to the biggest financial purchase of their life. And I have been out there because I'm actually getting ready to create a whole course on how to buy a house. And one thing that I will tell you matters so incredibly much is, guys, pick a professional. Pick somebody that you feel like you can trust. Pick somebody that you feel like you can relate to, that you vibe with, that's got good information, that's got good reviews, that has come well recommended to you, right? Pick somebody like this and not just anybody when you're selecting who to do your mortgage. And the reason why is the misinformation is real. I have spent hours searching to see what is it that you guys are seeing, right? When you're Googling how to buy a house and most important questions to ask and all these kind of things, I mean, it is insanity to me, the misinformation that is existing. The fact that they're giving this just random advice and not telling anybody that it does depend. Because I'm sorry, but you're a unique person, right? You're an individual, and I want to make sure that you get exactly what fits you. You're not just like every single other person. Yes, it is true that most customers use certain products, right, as the most common and things like that. That is all true. But you're a unique person and your situation may differ slightly. What happens if we could save you thousands and thousands of dollars, right? If my group could save you $1,000, a month or on the whole transaction or whatever, because the way we looked at it was different. I mean, you're not going to get that service if you just go out there to just anybody. And unfortunately, there's a ton of us. We are all over the place, right? I mean, if you look up, I guarantee you, if you're on your Facebook page, everybody has at least 5, if not 20 lenders in their friends list, okay? It's just the truth. And some of them are amazing and some of them are awful. I personally believe that what differentiates somebody is how much they're willing to educate themselves. And I don't align myself with anybody that doesn't want to educate on the consumer and answer the questions that they want to know. Because the reality is that is what is going to make the difference. This is not just some small loan. And I can't tell you how many times I've listened to the general public be told that rate. It's the only thing that matters. Sorry, but I call BS. It's just BS. It is not the only thing that matters. In fact, rate is probably only in maybe the bottom of my top 5 things that actually matter. So yeah, I'm not saying that it doesn't matter, and it's the easiest thing for a mortgage company to market to you on. It is. It's the easiest thing, right? Because it's super clear. It's right there. It's that big, bold number. But did anybody tell you that that rate has all these additional costs associated with it? And then, oh wait, you could have this lower rate and this one product, or this slightly higher rate than this other product, but the products have totally different private mortgage insurance premiums, and this lower rate one has a lot more cost associated with it than this higher rate one. You see what I mean? There's so many different factors. So if you're basing it solely and purely off of one simple thing, that's not the case, right? So if I can hammer one thing home, if you watch any of my videos and you know my heart is educating and getting you to make good decisions, getting you to make a decision that is best for you and your family, that is honest to God what I want more than anything in the whole entire world, I want you to hear this. Pick somebody who knows what they're doing. Pick somebody that when you ask them questions, they know the answer, and if they don't know, they're willing to find it for you. Pick somebody where you're not just another number on a freaking shelf, right? This is the largest financial transaction of your life, for God's sakes. You want to pick somebody that you've got confidence in. And it's the most important thing that matters, right? And please, please, please know that the misinformation out there is real. It really, really is. And the best way I can tell you is, if you want to do some research on your own, look and see what's being consistently talked about through multiple parties. And I'm not talking about the big guys that have all the marketing dollars out there that are trying to feed you a line. I'm talking about your little guys, right? People like me who are out there who are trying to educate the public, right? I don't get any money from educating you here. I just care. And if you take my information and you never use me or my team's services at all, that's perfectly fine. That's totally within your prerogative, right? But guess what? I can be a good resource and I can help you make good decisions. And that's what matters to me. And there's a lot of people just like me. I'm in lots of high-level coaching programs. I'm friends with these people and they exist. So make sure you're picking them, right? When you go and you look at their Google reviews, I guarantee you that they're showing up, right? These people are being praised. They're being said, wow, this person is amazing. We just don't have the marketing dollars to spend like the big guys. It's just the truth. So please, please, please make sure that the information you're getting is good, it's consistent, and it's actually something that looks at you as an individual and not just a number. So I will kindly step off of my high horse now, but you will be looking for more things to come when it comes to this course, because like I said, I am super, super passionate about making sure that you get to decide what is perfect for you. And I'm the person that's going to share that with you. So please go ahead and click subscribe because more things are coming, but I hope this helps you.